No, you've got someone doing it all for you.
Workshop's going well. You recording me?
Yeah.
It's going pretty well, this workshop.
It's not the best crowd I've ever had, but you've got to make, don't you? Do you want to get on?
So, Emma Jane, what do you think of the workshop so far?
He's a terrible teacher.
Yeah, unique. Yeah, that's like people haven't seen your shit before. There's got to be something in that. It just sounds juicy to me. So what I thought is I'm going to experiment.
Was there and once again found.
I don't know if you can do this leaning up. Lean against this. So bring your whole body over so you can lean up against it. Then bring your hands over your face. I just want to see it work.
Are you finished?
I'll take a picture and watch it in flames. But I would rather take you by the hand as we'd run away from all our troubles to our dreams. If you let me, oh baby, I know you'd let me anyway. When I remember our first laugh, it takes me back to our first night. It was the first time I could smile, it kept me going for that while. But now I see you as a drug, and now I'm hooked. I know I'm left to die. I take a picture and watch it in flames. But I would rather take you by the hand as we'd run away from all our troubles to our dreams. If you'd let me, oh baby, I know you'd let me anyway. Now you know I was down.
The best way to get support is to put it out there. What you're doing is you're using your ego, your program, to work for you. Because this does not want to be embarrassed. It doesn't want to be thought of a certain way. It doesn't want to be thought of as a failure and all of that stuff. You're using your ego to support yourself. Do you understand what I'm saying by that?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you're super clever, you'll put it in my group what you're doing. Because you'll get support. But you won't like it.
I know you twice as me.